In this video, I'll show you some tips for ordering wood prints through Printique.com. You can find the wood prints in the Wall Decor tab at the top of the page. Select your size and click Create Your Prints to get started. We begin by uploading our images. I already have mine loaded into a gallery, so I'll pull from there. Once our image is uploaded, we're able to adjust the crop and composition. In the Change Settings tab at the top, we have the option to switch from wood to any number of wall decor finishes, as well as access to the full range of sizes. The editor lets us convert to black and white or sepia and preview those changes live. The quality bar at the bottom will let you know if your file is high enough in resolution for the size that you selected. The final step is to choose your mount option, and it's that easy. Visit Printique.com to order your wood prints today.